Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to find your parked car using iPhone Siri. So to find your parked car, you can simply ask, "Hey Siri, where is my car?" Siri will pull up the exact location on Apple Maps, and offer walking directions. So if you want to know how to set it up, first of all, turn on location services. So go ahead to the settings, privacy and security, location services, and make sure it is toggled on. And next, enable significant locations. So again, settings, privacy, security, location services, right? And ensure significant locations is turned on. And allow parked locations. So go ahead to the settings, right? Scroll it down, find apps, and type maps if you have the Apple Maps, and make sure to turn on show parked location here. Note, your iPhone will not mark your car as parked if you are at a familiar place like your home or work address. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time.